All right, so we need to write a box and whisker plot for this set of data. So I'm going to start by putting them in order. I have 3 40s. That's being a little bit stubborn. Let's see. 40. So 1, 2, 3. I have a 48. 57. 60 and 60. 65. 70. 72 and 72. There's an 80, 92, or 90, 92, let's see if I can get that one, 93, and 95. Let's see if I can find the middle. So I have 16 points of data. So the middle is going to be in between the 8th and the 9th spot. So let me go ahead and find the 8th and the 9th spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's going to be right here. I kind of divided it evenly. So my median is going to be right here between 65 and 70. So I'm going to add those two. Let's see if, there we go. And divide by 2. I have 135 divide by 2. This pen does not want to work. And then I'm going to divide that by 2. 135 divide by 2. And that's going to get me 67.5. So my mean is my median, sorry, I should say, if it lets me write, is 67.5. There we go. Then I'm going to find my quartiles. I'm going to start off with quartile 1. Quartile 1 will be the middle of my first part of the data. If I cut off my median right here, where I have that line, 65 is still part of my data because it's not the median itself. So I still have 8 pieces of data before the median. So the median is going to be right here. Between the 4th and the 5th spot, which is between 48 and 57. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add, 48 plus 57, divide by 2. That's going to be 105. There we go. Divided by 2, 105 divided by 2. That's going to get me 52.5. So that's going to be quartile 1, and then I'm going to go for quartile 3, quartile 3. Quartile 3 is going to be the middle of the last 8 pieces of data. So that's going to go in between 80 and 90. 80 plus 90 divided by 2. I know that's going to be 85. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to draw my box and whisker plot if my pen allows me to. So I'm going to go ahead and draw down here at the bottom. My smallest number is 40. My biggest number is 95. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count by my 5s. Let's see if that wants to write. 45. No, there we go. 50. 55, 60. I'm writing it, just nothing's happening. There we go. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. I think I do. I have to go up to 95. 95. All right, so I've created my line down here at the bottom, and so I'm going to go ahead and start plotting in my points. My smallest number is 40. My biggest number is 95. My median is at 67.5, which is going to be right here in between 65 and 70. And then I have my quartile 1 is at 52.5. which is going to be right here in between 50 and 55. And then I have quartile 3 is at 85, which is right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect those with a line to create the box of my box and whisker plot. And then I'm going to connect those whiskers out. So that is my box and whisker plot. I do have to give it a title. This is going to be top speeds of roller coasters. Oh, it's not going to let me write those words. Of roller coasters. Does not want to let me write. And then along the bottom, these numbers here are actually miles per hour. So I'm going to label that as miles per hour. So that is my box and whisker plot for that set of data. Sorry, it's a little bit messy.